People have been decorating walls since ancient times. Previously, rock art was used for this, after which amulets and various decorations were hung on the walls. Today, there are several dozen variations of beautiful wall decoration in a house or apartment. You can either buy decorative elements or make them yourself. To do this, you will need improvised means or tools and materials that can be found in any needlework store. As a result, you will get a design that will make your interior truly unique. Today we will talk about how to decorate the wall in the room with your own hands. It is as simple as possible to come up with and create decor on the wall with your own hands. There are many techniques, materials and products that can turn a boring and empty wall into a real work of art. This approach to interior decoration has many advantages. You get a unique room design. Even if you repeat the technique seen in the picture, you will add a little personality to the production of the decor. So no two results are the same. Saving the family budget. Decorating walls can be a very expensive process. However, if you are engaged in the creation of decorative elements, the result will be more budgetary. Flight of fantasy. Creativity is a great opportunity to relax a bit and spend time with your family. You can attract loved ones. Spending time together will give a lot of pleasant emotions.